one of them types that's always looking for something new? Well, I got something for you. It's time for your 2-minute tools. Today we're going to check out the AT238A. It's a mini impacting ratchet wrench. Right here. 3/8 drive. And this thing, when they say mini, this is a compact. Nice for getting into tight spots on it. Also has a reactionless clutch on it. So no more knuckle busting when you're cranking on something. Get up to 40 foot-pounds of torque out of this. And 550 RPM. This one you can also pull on manually. A lot of these impacting ratchet wrenches, they don't let you manually torque or break the nut loose. This one you can. Overall length on the unit, just over 6 inches. Once again, thanks for watching. If you like to see new tools, consider hitting the subscribe button and check out my other videos on 2-minute tools as well as my weekly vlog I put out there. On that note, have a good night.